Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got wholesome new problem which says for three events A, B, and C, probability of exactly one of A or B. Okay, so exactly one of A or B is P. Acha, this is equal to probability of probability of one of B or C occurs is equal to probability exactly one of A or C occurs is 1 by 4. Now look at this. Let's note down these things. So probability of exactly one of A or B occurs. Okay. So this is 1 by 4. Okay. Now we have probability of, I'll copy. Yes. So we got this situation. So probability A or B, probability B or C, probability C or A is this. Okay. And probability of all three events occurs simultaneously is 1 by 16. Okay. So probability all together. So can I write this thing as 1 by 16? Now look at this. Then the probability that at least one of the event occurs. Now look at the idea. First try to understand that what is this thing. They are talking about exactly one of the event of A or B. Okay. Now look at this. So exactly A or B means probability of A union B is equal to probability A plus probability B minus 2 times probability A intersection B. Means if we have only A and B, probability of exactly A or B, exactly one of A or B occurs is this room and this room. This means this room has been calculated twice, so you have to remove this thing 2 times. Okay, and this is equal to 1 by 4. Okay, again probability of B union C, probability B, probability C minus 2 times probability B intersection C is again 1 by 4. Probability A union C, I think A union C, yes. So probability A plus probability C minus 2 times probability A intersection C is 1 by 4, and all together means what? Probability A intersection B intersection C. Now let's write down the final result. So what is that final result? We want probability at least one of the event occurs. So we are interested in probability of A union B union C. So you know that it is sum taken one at a time. So probability A, B, C minus sum taken two at a time. Probability A intersection B probability B intersection C, probability A intersection C plus probability A intersection B intersection C, and that is, look at this. Now can we write this thing as, like, if you will add all those three datas, okay, these three informations, 1, 2 and 3, okay, so you will have what? Wait a moment. Yes. So if we will add three things, so we will have what? 2 times probability A plus 2 times probability B plus 2 times probability C minus 2 times probability A intersection B minus 2 times probability B intersection C minus 2 times probability A intersection C. So this is equal to what? 3 by 4. Correct? Now we will divide both sides by 2. So we will be left with what? Probability A plus probability B plus probability C minus probability A intersection B minus probability B intersection C minus probability A intersection C is equal to 3 by 8. Now this thing we got, and this is the required thing. Look at this. Only we have to add this part. So required probability is what? 3 by 8 plus probability of A intersection B intersection C, which is 1 by 16. Okay? So if you multiply by 2 and 2, the denominator will become 16. So it is 17 by 16. Okay? I hope this question is clear. Similar to this question, they have asked another question which looked like the same. Probability of exactly one of the event A or B, probability exactly one of the event B or C, probability exactly one of the event C or A is P, and all three events occurring together is P square. So here they have used P, here they have used P square, and here was also the same, 1 by 4 1 by 4 square, है ना? So it is again P and P square. So you can solve this question. Okay, and look at this. Over there we got 3 by 8. So here also you will get the answer, and the required, you have to manipulate. Okay, required probability, just try once. I will write down the answer so that you can match. So 3p plus 2p square by 2. Okay, and here also you will get the same result. The idea is same, only the only difference is here they have used variable p, over there they have used constant 1 by 4 and 1 by 16. That's it. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in next session of MathFlix.